Hi, I have the Jetson Haze folding electric bike right here. Let's open it up and see what she can do. I'm partnering with Blacklisted Garage, who makes a bunch of mods and battery replacements for this. So let's get into it. Let me show you some of the specifications. It's a 350 watt hub motor, removable battery, hint hint, Blacklisted Garage. It's electric, pedal assisted, max range about 15 miles, max speed 15.5 miles. Blacklisted Garage can change that for you. Twist throttle, inch tires, along with a folding mechanism so you can easily fold this up. A tire pump is included. Also pretty cool that it comes with an anti-theft wheel lock. Pretty interesting. So let's open this baby up. Ooh, okay, let me show you. Here's everything packaged. Let's pull everything out and get started. I'm not super well versed in electric bikes, so I'm excited to kind of see what we have going on here. Ooh. Key, instruction manual, an Allen wrench, tire pump, battery charger. I just put the box on its side to pull it out because I'm a little bit injured right now. Woo! All right. Seat. Start taking off all of these zip ties, and I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna be able to fold it apart. So let's see. All right, so we have the handlebars here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna pop into place. Nice. Handlebars right here, and if you wanna make sure they're centered, they already gave you a little groove right here to place these in here. So let me undo this and set them in. Just unscrew this bolt right here. So we're just gonna center these bars, replace the bolt like this, washer and nut back on, and clamp it down. You don't need to use any tools to make sure that this is tight enough. This is just to make sure that your bars don't go anywhere. Now that I mostly have all the zip ties and all the protective stuff off, I'm just gonna stand this up and lock it into place like that. Perfect. But it has this little kickstand right there, and it's locked into place, and the handlebars are on. Put it on the seat, and similar to the handlebars, it's just a clamp. Make sure the seat is straight to where I want it, and then fold this clamp. Boop. And the seat is in place. Let me show you up close. It's a similar mechanism to where the handlebars are. It's just a bolt right here, and then you use this. You can move it up and down, and then where your desired seat height is you fold it down and it locks it in place. I put on the pedals, and this is super easy. They give you a wrench as well. So let me bring you down here and show you how to put these on. So these are marked for what side they're supposed to be on. I'm gonna take the little wrench that they give you and use it to tighten this all the way down. Same on the left side, but just a little note. It's on the left side, it's going counterclockwise to thread this. Take this and crank it left to make sure that it's tight. And there you go, left side is on. So this lever right here allows you to move the pedals up and down. So when you store it, or when you're putting it in your car, or whatever you're doing, wherever you're transporting this, when it's folded, you won't have these pedals sticking out. You're able to make them more compact, just like the bike. This little paper right here is telling you you have a bike lock. So, did you see that? So when it's unlocked and pushed out, the bike can move. The rear tire will move. The little silver part is pushed in. The rear brake is locked. I cannot move the back tire. It does not roll. But if you want to unlock it, you just put the key in, boop, and it pops out. And now you can move the back tire, and it's free rolling. Charge the battery by just plugging it directly into the bike. Or you can remove the battery and plug it directly into the battery, which I'll show you how to do right now. And just to show y'all, if you wanted to charge the battery off the bike, you would have to unlock this right here and then remove the battery, whoop, like this. And here we are. Same outlet on the outside of the bike, but you just flip this rubber tab up and you can plug this in and set this on your counter and have it plugged in directly to the wall as well if you don't want to charge it inside your bike. I'm gonna take the battery and place it right back in. Take the key out and it's locked in. So I have the bike set up now. Let me show you some of the hand controls and then see if it's charged, and then let's take it out on a ride. In order to turn on the bike, you have to make sure that this is turned on. All right, so here are the controls. You have your on button. And when I turn that on, the battery lights up. And you have 3 different speed modes, first, second, and third. You have a bell. On your left side, you have your front brake. Then you have on your right side, your back brake. Before I take this out, just as a point of reference, in the first speed mode with a full battery, and I'm not pedaling at all, it still has some give, but if I put it into the third, and I'm just sitting on this, you can see that it has some kick. So let's go try this out. Let's go take this out. I'll get my 360 on here and we'll take it for a ride. So I have my Insta360 on here. I'm ready to rip this thing. Okay, so this is just like regular pedaling, no power. The wheels are kind of small, so honestly, I understand why people put stronger batteries in this, because I just want to zoom. Like this is on 3, no pedaling. Who needs gas when you got this? Right out the box, the only thing that I would suggest changing is honestly just making the rear brake a little more sensitive, because this really, I have to basically be all the way pinning my back brake for it to really do anything to the back, but the front is on it. Because I ride a motorcycle, is that my front right brake does not brake my front tire like a motorcycle would, it's your rear. But that would be simple to just learn. So you have to learn that your front brake is your left brake and your right brake is your rear. That's the only thing that's kind of tripping me out right now. But it comes with a little bell, some reflective, it also comes with a light. Thank you Blacklisted Garage for letting me put this together and play around on it. If you like this video, give Blacklisted Garage a thumbs up. If you're looking for mods or stronger batteries, or if you want this thing to really zoom, go check out their website. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, I'm looking forward to playing around on this thing and showing you guys what I get into with it. But yeah.